Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great, right? So markets are going to be kind of consolidating for at least next 2 or 3 days. That is because there is a very important event on 26th night 11:30 p.m. India time. And if you ask me what is going to be the event, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is going to come out and they are going to increase the interest rate. Now, if you know that for the last 1 year they have consistently increased the interest rate for 10 consecutive times, right? So it is somewhere around 5.25%. If I tell you, let me go to the website. If I go to the website and if I show you, federal rate currently is at around 5.25%. Now what they are going to do is, last time they have not decreased the interest rate, they have paused the interest rate, and this time they are going to increase the interest rate. And that is why whole world market, not only Indian market, European markets and US markets are all waiting for what is going to be the Federal Reserve's increase, whether it is going to be 25 basis point or it is going to be 50 basis point. Now 50 basis point is likely not to happen, but if they increase it by 50 basis point, that is going to be a major hit to the market, and we may see Nifty, not only our markets, Indian markets, even the global markets, let it be European markets or US markets, drifting on the downside. Now FIIs know these numbers. That's why they have been net sellers. Today also they have been net sellers, and yesterday in the sense Friday also they have been net sellers. From Friday to today they have sold more than around 2600 or 2700 crores. So these people know something which we don't know. That's why they are pausing the buying spear, right? Usually what they do is they buy in huge quantity, but if you see today also FIIs have sold for around 82.96 crores. Even though this is a very small number, when you compare with what they buy, it is but still I think they are waiting for the US Federal Reserve to come out with a interest rate hike. Right now, if Federal Reserve is going to increase the interest rate by maybe, let's say, 25 basis points, so it's going to be 5.50%, and that is going to be a 22-year high. So you can understand how they are very, very much restrictive about inflation rate. They have a target of around 2%. Still inflation in US is around 4%. Now this is not when you see our markets, there is nothing to concern, or there is nothing correlation between our markets and US Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate. But whether we like it or not, our people or even the institutions like FIIs and DIIs follow US market, and they are all waiting for the US markets. Now US futures are also kind of flat. European markets are all in the red, but US markets are all kind of flat. So we'll have to wait and see what is going to happen in terms of US market, how the US market is closing. Now it is irrelevant to see this US futures. We'll have to wait and see what happens till tomorrow morning or today midnight, right? Tomorrow also we can escape, but what is going to happen is, when we are let's say Wednesday night 11:30 p.m. so you cannot take a trade, or you cannot carry forward a trade for Banknifty expiry. That is the problem. Maybe if there is any big gap up or gap down, you are going to be in a very hard situation. So better you hold your position and stay calm or stay put, so that once this event is done, you can make your trade. Now let's assume that they have increased the interest rate. So what is going to happen? Nifty is going to touch maybe 19,500 or even 19,500 levels. Now 19,500 is a almost good support for Nifty, and in case of and you can see that evident in bank in open interest also, people are writing huge number of 19,000, not huge number, significant number of put options at 19,500, and huge call writing is being happening at 19,800. So people believe that market may not go on the higher side. Right now, what will happen if they, hypothetically speaking, let us assume Federal Reserve is not increasing the interest rate, then what might happen, right? Maybe market will go higher, and this maybe 20k will touch this time, but I'm sure 20k is a very very good resistance, and this 19,800 people will have to run for cover. Now this 19,800 today is very low volume, but tomorrow you see how much 19,800 call is being built up. So that is in terms of Nifty. And in terms of Bank Nifty, what we have is Bank Nifty, both Nifty and Bank Nifty is sluggish. Actually Bank Nifty is in a good support only. 45,000 or 46,000 is a good support. We have seen these levels earlier also, and you can see kind of rejection day before yesterday, that is 24th of July. You have seen some rejection at 26,000 levels, and you can see market has gone above 26,000. Bank Nifty is kind of sustaining above 46,000, right? So if this 46,000 is being taken out, we may see around 45,500 level, which is the next support. We will see how things pan out. But one thing I can tell you is that every market participant is waiting for this data, US market data. Until that, you will see consolidation. So tomorrow also we may see a flat markets moving up and down. So we have taken a trade, Finnifty trade, for tomorrow's expiry also. So we'll see how things pan out. We are having a webinar tomorrow morning 9:30, live webinar, expiry day webinar. If you want, you can join, for which the link is on the description below. And in terms of Bank Nifty, what people are doing is 46,000 short straddle, huge quantity they are writing. They believe that the market, this huge number of puts being returned means, it doesn't mean that 46,000 is a good support. Of course it is a support, it is holding, but small gap down, maybe day after tomorrow or tomorrow, this line will act as a good support, resistance, right? So it doesn't mean people writing huge number of 46,000 put option is a good support. It might also act as a good resistance if it is broken down, right? Now you know that market has been run huge. We have seen market for last 2 or 3 months, we have seen market rallying. We have been seeing market rallying so much for the last 5 or 2 or 3 months, but I think market is topping out and we may revert. So we are likely to see some consolidation is what I believe, right? So we'll see how things pan out. FII data is also out. Markets, US markets are flat, and hopefully SGX Nifty is also on the red, right? Around 6.5% or even 3%, not 3%, 3 points down. So it is going to be very flat. It is going to open flat also tomorrow morning. So we'll see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.